Hey y'all, what's up? So welcome to another what I eat in a day video. Honestly, this is kind of what I eat in a couple of days because all of these meals were not consecutive, but I pretty much eat the same thing like all the time. So I like to start off my morning with Jimmy Dean Delights, either the sandwiches or the breakfast bowls or whatever, because I love them. So today I'm gonna do the Jimmy Dean Delight breakfast bowl with a side of grapes, girl. And then, of course, we got to get our water, y'all. Get your water. Start off the day with your coffee if you need coffee. Take your vitamins. Just start off on the right track. So, yeah. So, that's how I'm starting it off. These are awesome, y'all, with a little seasoning and like some sour cream if you're into that and some salsa. Girl, please. These are amazing. So, yeah, this is breakfast for today.
Can we stay happy? I'd rather be on that way. Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked to
Hey y'all, hey, I just wanted to pop in real quick and show y'all what I was drinking as a snack. This is just a little smoothie that I blended up. I wanted something sweet, and honestly, I wanted some candy or something like that because I am a candy fiend, y'all. But I'm trying not to eat candy and stuff like that anymore. So honestly, like drinking smoothies and stuff helps with my sweet tooth, okay? So I have my smoothie that I blended up, and this is all I used. Mixed fruit, pineapple, strawberries, and mango. And I put a orange juice in, in the blender with it. Blend it all up, and it's nice and tasty. So, yeah, girl. That's what we're having as a snack, and it's good. So, all right, y'all. Stay on track. Bye.
do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go on.
Okay. I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention. I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections when you.
All right, y'all. So for this meal, we are gonna do some salmon, broccoli, and rice, and it came out amazing. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit how I prepared it, and yeah, y'all should try this for sure.
Treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. No, you can, I'm out here.
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
All right, Old Faithful, y'all. Taco meat. Y'all know I love Mexican food very much. Like, it's my favorite food. So, anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna have like a soft taco here with the carb balance, so it'll be low on carbs, and it came out really, really good. I was really full today, so I only had one with like my bottled water, and that was it, girl. So yeah, I know this video was kind of short, but girl, we got straight to the point. Thanks for checking me out.